Do you ever find yourself in a funk and you feel stuck? Well, let's talk about that. Hello, hello, hello. I'm Reverend Sharon Renae, and welcome to this week's Sunday Inspiration, sponsored by Spiritually Centered. And sometimes we are really in a funk. We get stuck. We don't know where to go, what to do, how to set ourselves back into balance. So today I'm going to talk about some things that you can do to help start to align yourself that can help you as you engage as you go throughout the day. And the one thing that's important to me is that you get up, you dress up, and you show up. So it's very important that we take our role in life, that we are willing to participate in it. So that's number one. That's really a big deal. So the other is getting grounded. So sometimes we're a little bit heady. We've got our head in the clouds, and we're trying to actually avoid all of the things that are going on in life. And I'm going to tell you, when you get up in the morning, really ground your feet into the earth and visualize that you've got roots and that the earth is keeping you grounded, and you can set an intention that I am safe to move throughout my day because I am supported by Spirit. So setting an intention as you get grounded is very important. So that is number two. So number three, set an intention about the boundaries, that you are going to hold boundaries that honor yourself, that you're not going to say yes when you mean no. And you get to say, I choose what I experience in my life today. And I am also protected. You can say, I'm protected again. By holding those boundaries, even with yourself. Even with yourself, because sometimes we say that we're going to do these things and we don't honor ourselves. So allowing that to happen. The other thing is, especially if you find yourself being very empathic and an empath, limit your energy drains or where you get those leaks. So don't engage too much in the news. Give yourself some time away from the phone and all of that texting and all of that. Oh, I got to see what's happening. Oh, I got to see what's happening. Oh, my phone just went off. Shut up. I got to look at it. Because that takes away your energy. And it gives you, and to take time away from the things that distract you from a moment of peace. And if you do find yourself empathic, understand that compassion is a wonderful thing, that we can have compassion for others. But that does not mean that we are responsible for how others feel, or that it's our role to take care of them. So again, that's part of that leak that we can have, or that drain in that. And pick up after yourself throughout the day. Give yourself the opportunity to pick up after yourself at the end of the day. Why? Because if you don't pick up and you don't pick up, then you're cluttered. And then you don't want to do anything because you feel heavy. So pick up after yourself. And if you can, do it right away. And that makes it easier, but it makes it easier to come home, to look at what's going on in the house. It just makes life easier. And when you get up, you're not seeing the mess in the bathroom, right? So it can be a really good thing. Pick up after yourself, okay? And at the end of the day, cut your cords. I can't speak, can I? Cords or cuts? Cut your cords. So look and see, what am I attached to? Did I get upset with the cashier at Walmart? See those as cut, released, and sent to the divine. Let God take care of that. Forgive yourself or forgive others for whatever might have happened, so that you can sleep better and you're not in that space of worry. All right? So these are wonderful ways to start to practice that. And again, get up, dress up, show up, because you are on this path of this wonderful opportunity to experience a journey that you've not yet had. And you can't experience it when you're deciding to be stuck and rooted to the bed or to the chair. There are things that you can do to shift that energy. So thank you for sharing with me. And I ask that you like, you subscribe, you share this information so that we can shine the light with others to help empower them to step into their divinity. Have a beautiful day, and namaste.
Woke up feeling sideways, like my soul hits snooze. Coffee's brewing, I'm not moving, stuck in my own blues. Then I hear that quiet whisper, gentle in my ear. Get up, dress up, show up, your light belongs here. Grounding down, not backing away, peace in my pocket, come what may. I hold my line, I trust the plan, spirits in the rhythm, I'm a grounded man. Call it faith, or spiritually centered. I'm saying no when I mean no, holding my space, boundaries with grace, yeah that's my base. News off, phone down, I'm in no rush. Just a sacred little silence to shake off the hush. No more chords dragging through my mind, I cut them loose and leave them behind. Forgive the day, let it drift away, make room for a brand new way. So I light a little candle, take a breath and stand. Life's a holy shuffle, not a perfect plan. I don't need a sign, just the faith to start. With spirit in my corner and a humble, grounded down, not lost in the fight, walking in grace, holding the light. I show up strong with soul restored, spirit's got my back, I don't need more. Yeah, I'm good, I'm spiritually centered, just a little more centered, and a whole lot more